You don't need long rituals or complicated tools to live as a witch. 5 minutes a day will change your life and your entire path. Let me show you how. I'm Lady Starfire, and I've been doing this for decades, okay? And I'm Lady Starfire, and I have been doing this for decades, teaching the old ways. And so today I want to teach you simple daily rituals that you can do easily every day, even if you have a busy schedule, and it won't interfere. First is morning grounding. It takes 2 to 3 minutes. Every day you need to start your day by grounding, okay? You might have been flying around at night in your dreams, so you need to start your day by grounding and centering yourself and getting yourself ready for your day. And here's how. Close your eyes and breathe deeply. Now imagine roots coming from you and going down into the earth. Just hold that there for a few moments, okay? Because grounded energy equals strong magic. Next, set one intention daily. Don't be all scattered out there. One intention, okay? Intentions shape energy. So say one clear intention each morning. Here's some examples. I choose peace today. I stand in my power. I focus on abundance. These are just some examples, okay? You choose what works for you, because remember, your words are spells. Now, next we have a quick energy cleanse. Next we have a quick energy cleanse. You can cleanse with so many things, okay? You can cleanse with your breath, with sound, with visualization, or with your hands. Just doing a hand sweep, okay? You feel something prickling at your aura, just, give it a nice little sweep away, okay? It only takes seconds, and it keeps your energy filled, clear, and focused. Next, we have a little mini stillness or meditation. Just 1 minute of stillness can build your intuition. And you don't have to do the empty your mind. Just be still and listen. Next, we have just light a candle. Remember, we don't blow it out. Pinch it or snuff it, okay? A candle is a beacon, okay? It's a beacon of light to send out. You can light it for clarity, peace, guidance, protection. Either put it in a safe place to let it all burn, or if you're going, you can use it to burn so much a day, and therefore you're going to snuff it out and save it for the next day to relight again. A lot of spells are best if you let it all burn out, so choose the size candle properly. Next we've got keep a witchy journal, which of course is called what? It's a book of shadows, okay? Write down everything, okay? Whether it is your spells, dreams, feelings, signs that come about, write it all down. This holds all your moments of magic. And all of this strengthens your intuition. And it also helps you to build confidence, because you can go back and look and see what feelings you had, when you had it, and what happened and when, and all of that, okay? So once again, this is your book of shadows. If you haven't already started one, when you do this, this is your first one. You'll probably have many. I know I do. And end the day with gratitude. Always end your day with gratitude. Every evening, say one simple thank you. Whether it's to Spirit, universe, your chosen deity, or your inner self. This builds your magic and puts you in alignment with receiving, okay? We start our day and put things out there. We end our day giving thanks and gratitude, okay? If you want to build a true witchcraft practice, I'm here to help you. Come to my community, Sacred Legacy Builders, on a platform called School, and join my classes, a year and a day. And if you want more information about it or you can't find it, there's a link in the description, or leave me a comment down below and I will get you right there, okay? But I have taught hundreds of people over the decades, and I have students around the world taking my classes. And my job is to help guide you on your path, not my path, but lay a foundation for you to build your path on. I've also got an app called sacredlegacyportal.com, and you go to the website, you can download it to your phone or your computer, whichever, and it is chock full of so much stuff. I have worked really hard building this for you to make it an easy reference, and so I hope you come and join the community, join the classes, and join the app. And everything, you know, the community and the app is free to join. If you want the premium version of the app, it's only $10 a month. And it gives you so much, and I'm constantly upgrading and adding even more things as if it's not full enough already. So anyway, I hope to see you, and don't forget there are more videos. There is a playlist for this video series, which there's still a lot more in this series. But if you missed the first ones, be sure to click on that and go check them out. And I look forward to seeing you and meeting you. And when you come into the community, be sure when you fill out your intro that you let me know that you found me here, okay? And don't forget, share my videos and click the like and subscribe if you haven't, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you like the best and what you're learning the most, okay? And until the next video, everyone have a wonderful and blessed day, and blessed be.